That's chainsawing?
That's it.
And like scissors?
Yep.
And what's behind Mr. Owen? What's that big thing?
Excavator.
Tell me what it does.
Dig.
It digs? Yeah?
And this here.
And what's that big orange thing over there that Mr. Owen's by? What's that?
Is that a Kubota tractor?
Is it a tractor? Is Mr. Owen about to do some more digging? Should we go look close? Not too close. I'm just going a little closer.
Wow, look at that.
Not too close. So tell me what Mr. Owen's doing. I want to hear.
Digging.
He's digging. Oh, there he goes. What's he digging?
Gravel.
What's he digging?
Trees and gravel.
Trees and gravel? Tell me something, Riley. Can I ask you a question?
What?
I'm right here. Tell me, does this make you feel sad or happy when we watch digging?
Happy.
Very happy or just a little bit? Hey, watch the scissors.